Welcome to our YouTube video on how to add a poll to your Instagram Reel. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to easily create engaging polls for your followers to vote on. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Step 2. From your Instagram home screen, swipe right to enter the Create mode. This mode allows you to create new posts and stories. Step 3. To create a reel, select the Reels option at the bottom of the screen. Tap and hold the record button to start recording your video. Step 4. Once you have finished recording your video, click on the sticker icon located at the top of the screen, next to the text and drawing tools. Step 5. From the sticker options, select the poll option. This will add a poll to your reel, allowing your followers to vote on a question you ask. Step 6. After adding the poll, you can customize it by changing the question or answer options. Make sure everything is to your liking. Step 7. Finally, when you are satisfied with your poll, click on the Done button to finish creating your reel, and there you have it. You now know how to add a poll to your Instagram Reel. Engage your followers and get valuable insights by using this interactive feature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.